Dear students, welcome to our physics class. This is the second module of lesson motion. In this module, let us learn velocity, average velocity and acceleration. At the end of this module, you can define velocity and form its equation. Also differentiate speed and velocity and able to solve numerical problems involving speed and velocity. The first topic in this module is speed with the direction. Students, observe this figure carefully. The initial position of a person is A. He wants to reach at C. He has two possible ways here. First one is he can travel A to B, then B to C. And the second option is directly go to A to C. If he choose the first path, he must travel 4 plus 3 kilometer, that is equal to 7 kilometer. So that is the distance covered by him. We know that AC is the shortest distance between initial and final position as shown in the figure. The value of AC is given there 5 meter. So this is the displacement of that person. Do you know how is the value of AC equal to 5 centimeter? Observe the path of this figure. It forms a right angled triangle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem here. What is Pythagoras theorem? AC equal to root of AB square plus BC square, which is equal to root of 3 square plus 4 square, equal to root of 16 plus 9, that is equal to root 25. So what is the value of root 25? Which is equal to 5 meter. Our next topic is velocity. So what is velocity? The rate of motion of an object can be more comprehensive if we specify its direction of motion along with its speed. The quantity that specifies both these aspects is called velocity. Velocity is the speed of an object moving in a definite direction. The velocity of an object can be uniform or variable. It can be changed by changing the object's speed, direction of motion, or both. The velocity of the object is changing at a uniform rate. Then average velocity is given by the arithmetic mean of initial velocity and final velocity for a given period of time. So average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity by 2. Mathematically, V average is equal to U plus V by 2. U is the initial velocity and V is the final velocity. And also speed and velocity have the same units, that is meter per second. Students, we are going to solve a problem related to average speed and average velocity. Read this problem carefully. In this problem, a person travel from A to B, that is equal to 30 meter in 4 seconds, and again B to C, that is 40 meter in 6 seconds. So what is the average speed and average velocity in this case? We know that average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. So which is equal to 30 plus 40 by 4 plus 6, which is equal to 70 by 10. The answer is 7 meter per second. That is the average speed in this case. And again, what is the average velocity? We know that velocity is equal to displacement by time. So what is the displacement in this case? This is the distance between A to C. That is the shortest distance between initial and final position. So how to calculate this distance of AC? We can apply Pythagoras theorem. So here AC is equal to root of AB square plus BC square, which is equal to root of 30 square plus 40 square, which is equal to root of 900 plus 1600 is equal to root of 2500. So what is the root of 2500? Which is equal to 50. So the distance of A to C is 50 meter. So we can calculate the average velocity. which is equal to displacement by time. Here displacement is equal to 50 meter. So 50 by the time is same, it is 10. So which is equal to 5 meter per second. Consider a body is in straight line motion. In this case, the distance and displacement is always equals. That means in a straight line motion, the average speed and average velocity is always equal. Students, we already learned what is speed and velocity. Can you differentiate speed and velocity? In speed, it is a distance moved by an object over a time interval. But velocity is the displacement of a given object over a time interval. What is the second point about speed? It does not have any direction, only magnitude. That means distance is a scalar quantity. And again, what is velocity? It has a specific direction and magnitude, so it is a vector quantity. The third point about speed is it cannot hold a negative value. That means it is always positive. But in the case of velocity, it can hold a negative value. So what is the equation of speed? Speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken. But velocity is equal to displacement by time taken. These are the difference between speed and velocity. In this module, we discussed velocity, average velocity, and again differentiate speed and velocity and solve some numerical problems related to this topic. Hope you understood this lesson. Read your textbook thoroughly. Thank you.